Alright, welcome back, JD's and Lentil Mans. Give you a quick little sound check. My god, this thing is angry. So yeah, oh wait, let me quickly show you guys. As you may have seen by the title, I crashed it. A little bit of scraping there, scraping here, scraping here. This bit, see this side bit here? It should have this on the end, but it is on a road somewhere. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a kind of what happened, why it happened, and while doing that I'm on my way to Halfords to get some cover-up paint for those scratches and some zip ties to try and get a new mic set up. So yeah, you may have seen in a few videos of this thing, it randomly likes to click out a gear or not select a gear. The gearbox is fucked in this thing. So I was coming off a slip road, and as you come off the slip road there's a fairly tight left bend. Basically just as I was entering the bend, I was using my engine braking to slow down and go through the corner. Like imagine you're cornering, suddenly clicks out a gear, engine braking goes. So obviously the weight was like loaded on the front wheel, going in, suddenly lets go, engine braking stops. So I got back on the brakes, but it made me go slightly wide in the turn, and see like all this gravel here, it was like that. I went on the gravel and just slipped. I'm fine, had some bloodied knees, but other than that I'm fine. Could have went a lot worse. By the time it happened, I was probably only going like 20-30 miles per hour. So that's why the bike isn't very damaged. I'm not very damaged. Only my knees were hurt, and obviously the only bit of gear I didn't have on was my trousers. So take it how you will. To get some like touch-up paint, try and cover some of those scratches, and also I want a better mic setup. I have like a little black GoPro box. I'm gonna like zip line. I'm gonna zip tie. What's going on here? Oh, that's a speed camera. I'm gonna zip tie my GoPro box to like the fairing near my exhaust, put my mic in there. I should get some nice audio from that. See that, guys? See how third just clicked out? That's what happened in the corner. So yeah, this thing needs a new gearbox. But then, because of the parts you need to order and the work that needs doing to replace this thing's gearbox, I'm probably just going to swap the whole engine out. Oh, I love this thing's pops and bangs though. Come on, slowpokes. Support on my second channel. That's been doing crazy. Been doing super well on my second channel. Slow down a little bit for the speed camera. Yeah, my second channel's been doing great. Obviously I hope you guys are like enjoying that kind of content. As I said, those 2 videos I have up on it, I guess it will be 3 by the time I've uploaded this. Don't have the best like sound quality, but hopefully if I get this stuff done today, I'm gonna go here, set up the mic stuff, and then record for my second channel on the way back. So hopefully that will have the really good audio. There's a few other things I need to get as well. I want some beer, and my essentials. They went as if it's like red for me, but I don't see any lights. I'm going behind this Volkswagen. Shoulder check, all clear. Oh yeah. Look, it's absolute standstill traffic. Oh, can I squeeze through that? I don't think I can. I don't know, guys. I don't want to go for it just in case I can't. I don't want to be that guy. Do you know what I mean? I see the Halfords. Oh, what is he? What is he doing? Okay, that's not how red lights work, but as long as everyone is safe, you know. But yeah, man, I still can't get over how this thing sounds. Oof, oof. It's that lovely Akrapovic. Right, we have the new setup. I got some zip ties, put it through this old GoPro box, right next to the exhaust. Now I'm thinking, if I see, it's just got a little wind muff on it. If I wrap it in this as well, and I place it in here, I'm hoping that's... Oh, I was supposed to change my gain on it. Oh, how do I do that? Oh, I don't know how to do that. Anyway, this is my little tester. So I set my gain down a bit in case it's too noisy or something, too distorted. We'll see. Yeah, I'm hoping that's good audio. I've got a feeling it's going to be too loud, but you guys are going to have to deal with that. As I said, I'm going to ride to the coast now, and then I'll record like my RestartedRazzer, my second channel video on the way back without me speaking. I'll go through the city. You probably shouldn't have went, mate. Now, by the looks of the traffic, it's going to be a bit of a slow ride to the coast. Yeah, slow, gentle ride to the coast. I really hope this mic sounds good, man. Like, I've done everything. I tried it in my backpack, it was too muffled. I put it in my backpack, it was too muffled. Put it in the tail, it was too rattly. Put it in my pocket, too much wind noise. Like, if this isn't it, I don't know what else to try at this point. Alright, this has to be it, surely. Also, you guys should get the craziest pops and bangs, like. Can you not hear that? Boom, 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 boom. I haven't got any big ones yet, but I'm sure I will. Go, moped, go! Is it crispy clean, guys? Is it crispy clean? I actually can't wait to get home and find out. Can you hear those little burbles? Boom, 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 boom. Getting gapped by an e-bike. I like it. Sorry, I'm overtaking this moped. slow down a bit. Oh, there goes my gear. Where were those feds? I just saw them, I swear. They were like just ahead. There they are. Uh-oh. Why are the feds pulling to the side? As long as they're not turning around or nothing. No, it's alright. Lane split. I'm not gonna split that, that's too tight for me. I see some people in London, and they get through like the tiniest little gaps between cars, and I just think, why? There's no way it's that serious. Well, this Seat Leon wants to come by, so I'm gonna have to probably let him go first. Obviously that Lexus did not have the same feelings. He was not willing to let him go. Hey, if he doesn't put his hazards on, say thank you right now, I'm going to lose it. You want a little rev, guys? I had to. I'm not a cunt that just goes through the city revving constantly, I promise. He wanted it. He wanted it. What? Look at this shit, man. Right, we're about to make it on the coast and now make my my little video coming back. The shoulder checked and there's a double decker there. Well, I knew it was there, but still, it's a bit of a scary sight. No, I want to come back this way or a similar way. I don't know how you do that. Oh, people struggling with roundabouts by the looks of it, struggling to learn them. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. I promise you'll get some more entertaining content. This video has been very boring. It's basically just me explaining what happened and all that. With the settings on my mic and then make this video riding back, which again will already be out on my second channel, will be about a day old. Disabled. Oh, I'm not disabled. I'll just go up here then. Oh, fucking hell. I'll park up here actually. Get some nice scenery for the start of my next one. Right, thank you for watching. Go check out my second channel for me actually seeing how this goes. Bye bye.